We've got this gas hob that I need to access underneath to change a thermocouple because the gas is not staying lit. And I need to remove this drawer to access it, maybe even two drawers. But these are those really nice soft close drawers that work really well. And when I got underneath, I could see that they're IKEA Rationell drawers, and they don't want to come out in the usual fashion where you pull and lift. There was no obvious plastic clips or levers underneath here. Nothing to move to be able to pull the drawers out. This is what the front looks like. You've got this plastic cover plate, and these two screws are for adjusting the drawer front. This right hand one here is to adjust from side to side, and the left hand one is to adjust up and down so that you get the gaps on the drawers just right. So that's of no use. I had to lie on my back on the floor to see exactly what was going on, and this is what it looks like. Okay, just put a bit of light on the matter, and what we have here is a plastic lever, and if you push up on this lever, it's a little bit stiff, and at the same time use your other hand to pull this clip. There's a bit there you can catch, and pull it back towards the drawer unit. So press hard up in there, pull that, and the drawer will release. And you need to do that on both sides, obviously. Now let's see if I can just put the camera on my chest and do that at the same time. Let's see if this works. So push up and pull, and did you see that? There we go. So that releases this piece here. See how it slides? And when you do that, you can pull the drawer completely out when you've done it on both sides. Okay, so I've undone those two clips and just lift the drawer, and it just comes off really, really easily. And you will see there are a couple of tabs here, kind of locating tabs, and when you drop it on, you just locate it onto those tabs and just push the drawer back, and you'll hear a couple of clicks. One click, click, and job done. Easy peasy. Basically, underneath here is a clip. Sorry, not a clip, a lever. Get down, Susie. Susie wants to get involved in this video. We're not making this easy, Susie, lying on my chest like this. So can you just move away and let me get this video finished.
You are such a nuisance. No, stop it. Right.